So we just learned about Babbo Natale, the Italian Santa. And so one of the things we have is we have a printable of a Santa if you want to make a finger puppet. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your markers or your crayons and you're gonna color Babbo Natale. And then you're gonna cut right on the solid black line. So you're just gonna cut. Remember when we're cutting, you're cutting away from your fingers. So we're also gonna cut around. And then the tricky part is you don't wanna cut off what's called this tab. So this is a tab, and notice when I cut, I'm not gonna cut it off, I'm gonna cut around it. So this is what it will look like, except for, I already have one colored. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take right here and you need to decide if you're gonna use tape or glue. If you're using glue, you wanna go ahead and put your glue right here. So take your glue stick and just glue it. I'm using tape today, so I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it on this black line. So I'm gonna take my Santa and my Italian Santa, my Babbo Natale, and I'm gonna pinch it down on this black solid line, and I'm going to crease it like this. So it makes like a little flap. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my tape ready, right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get a piece ready to go. So now I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna curve it around. So when I curve it around, I'm going to match this part to the other color part. So his belt will match and everything. And then I'm gonna take my tape and I'm going to secure it. If you have already glued it, then you just need to hold it down so it sticks. So when you do that, you have what's called a finger puppet. And so here is your Babbo Natale. I hope you can try it at home with me. And I hope you had fun learning about how Italians celebrate Christmas.